James. I'm back with another unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the wireless car adapter for your CarPlay from SyncWire. And basically you're supposed to be able to plug this up to USB into your vehicle, and it gives you that interface of having Apple CarPlay. So way they're putting this as your phone, the adapter, and this displays on the screen as long as your vehicle has like a display screen for it. So let's get to the unboxing, see what the product looks like, and then right after we'll try it out. All right. Kind of looks shaped like one of those Chromecasts that you can plug into your TV. But yeah, this is pretty nice, nice and sleek. You can kind of like hide this a little bit. So let's get some directions. Oh, no. Yeah, directions and everything in manual. Let's see how this all works. But yeah, guys, this is the product. Now let me try it out and show you guys how it works. All right, guys, we're going to try this on my 2017 Hyundai Veloster. We're going to see how this CarPlay works. So let me put the keys in the car first. Start over on up. Boom. A little USB jack down here. Click. As you can see, it's lighting up right there. Then it says reading USB. You want to connect this to your phone right there. That's what it's going to be called. And then what I noticed, what you do is go here, is reading this thing. It says CarPlay right there is grayed out, but it's still reading. Once it's finished, oh, there we go. Wait, see, now it's reading. Now it's connected. It did its thing. Connected. There we go. CarPlay switches me right over. Boom. We have CarPlay. So all right, this right here makes it so you have a wireless CarPlay setup, and it does work on Hyundais. I know this is work on other cars that have like an interface set up like this already, and you can just plug right into it. So this is pretty cool. I'll put the link in the description for this. The link in my description for this. I like this. This is nice. You have CarPlay now. So instead of me having the regular Hyundai setup now, just like this, I now have Apple CarPlay, which everybody loves. So yeah, this is definitely nice. Definitely nice. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely buy this, the SyncWire wireless car adapter. Definitely buy it. Link will be in my description. I'll see you guys in another video.